Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k plus 1 over 3 is equals to k, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here we need to first find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And we move towards the solution of this problem. So here we have, first we need to first I can explain why I can solve this problem for two method, or what is the reason to solving this problem for first method. So the reason is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the value of k, but if you see directly from here you cannot find the value of k. But in the first method I can just give you a smartest way in which you can easily get the value of k. Okay, if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution of this problem, so in that case you can directly move towards our second method. But our both of these two methods are valid to solve this type of problem. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to break this fraction, and in order to break this fraction we need to multiply both of the sides by each of these terms by 3. Okay, so when we multiply it by 3 it will be written as 3k plus this will becomes 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equals to 3k. So this 3 and this 3 are gone, and we get here this is 3k plus 1 is equals to 3k. And further in the next step here we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides it will be written as in this form. And now here in the next step we write the we can apply the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, and this is our a and this value is our b. So after applying this formula to the left hand side of the above equation, it will be written as in this form. So we have, when we apply this value here, it will becomes 3k square plus 1 square plus 2 times of 3k into 1 is equals to, here we have 3 square becomes 9 and k square becomes k square. Okay, further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have 3k square becomes 9 times of k square, and plus this 1 square equals to 1, and this is 2 times 3k becomes 6k equals to, this is 9k square. And here our target is to find the value of k. So for this we move this 9k square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes 9k square plus 1 plus 6k minus 9k square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is the negative term, this is the positive term, are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are 1 plus 6k is equals to 0. Now from here we get the value of k. So for this we move plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 6k equals to minus 1, and here we divide both of the sides by 6 in order to find the value of k. So after dividing by 6 we get the value of k is equals to minus 1 over 6. This is the value of k, okay, which we get here in the first method. But in the next steps we need to verify that is this value of k is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k plus 1 over 3 is equals to k, and we substitute the above value of k on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So we have this is minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 is equals to minus 1 over 6. And here when we take the LCM of this term, so its LCM becomes here 6. This 6 and 6 are gone, and we get here -1 plus 3 times 2 becomes 6 is equals to -1 over 6. And here you clearly see that we get 1 over 6 is equals to -1 over 6. So here you see that the left hand side is the left hand side be the positive value, and right hand side is negative value. And we know about that positive value is not equals to negative value. This means that the value of k is equals to -1 over 6 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that k equals to -1 over 6 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root. So here you see that we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So this finally conclude about that this question has no solution. This is the final answer of this question from first method, and now here we again solve this problem from second method. And in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and our given question statement is k plus 1 over 3 is equals to k. So our second method be the straightforward method, and here we directly tells us about the solution set of this problem. So here we move this k to the right hand side, and it will becomes 1 over 3 equals to k minus k, and we get 1 over 3 equals to 0. And here you see that 1 over 3 is not equals to 0 in general. This means that here we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.